Hi all, this is Robin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. A pneumonia of unknown cause detected in Wuhan, China was first reported in the last week of December 2019. WHO announced a name for the new coronavirus disease, COVID-19. Now, the entire world is locked down to fight back. As an obvious consequence, the world is about to face tremendous resource scarcity, especially for food. The need of the hour is to sit back and rethink our options and solutions. Humankind has faced adversity throughout its existence, but has never given up. Let's go back to the nature, use the fertile soil, let's produce some food. Let this video be an inspiration to us, especially the youth. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos.